Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. NumPy tutorial, a comprehensive guide. Table of contents. 1. Introduction to NumPy. 2. Installation. 3. Basic concepts. Arrays. Data types. 4. Creating arrays. 5. Array indexing and slicing. 6. Array operations. 7. Universal functions, ufuncs. 8. Reshaping arrays. 9. Statistical functions. 10. Input/output operations. 11. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to NumPy. NumPy, numerical Python, is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and many mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. It is foundational for many other libraries in the scientific Python ecosystem, such as SciPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas. 2. Installation. You can install NumPy using pip. Run the following command in your terminal. 3. Basic concepts. Arrays. An array is a grid of values, all of the same type, and is indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. In NumPy, the main object is the end array, which stands for n-dimensional array. Data types. NumPy supports various data types, including int, integer; float, floating point number; bool, boolean; str, string. You can specify the data type when creating an array. 4. Creating arrays. You can create NumPy arrays using several methods. Example 1, creating a 1D array. Example 2, creating a 2D array. Example 3, using built-in functions. 5. Array indexing and slicing. You can access elements and slices of arrays similarly to lists in Python. Example 4, indexing. Example 5, slicing. 6. Array operations. NumPy supports element-wise operations on arrays. Example 6, element-wise operations. 7. Universal functions, ufuncs. Universal functions, ufuncs, are functions that operate on AND arrays in an element-wise fashion. Example 7, using ufuncs. 8. Reshaping arrays. You can change the shape of an array using the reshape method. Example 8, reshaping. 9. Statistical functions. NumPy provides several functions for statistical calculations. Example 9, statistical functions. 10. Input/output operations. You can easily save and load NumPy arrays. Example 10, saving and loading arrays. 11. Conclusion. NumPy is an essential library for scientific computing in Python. It provides powerful tools for working with arrays and matrices, along with a wide range of mathematical operations. This tutorial covered the basics, including array creation, indexing, reshaping, and statistical functions. For further exploration, consider reading the official NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable, and experimenting with more advanced features. This tutorial serves as a solid foundation for getting started with NumPy. Happy coding!